I talk about this in another video. This is the pendulum off of my Postmans clock. And you will see that the threads are worn out. I don't have a nut for it. And all you have to do is take a piece of plastic. A piece of hard style plastic. This came off this gum package. And all you have to do is drill 2 holes in this plastic and you fold it in half. The pendulum goes through one hole and then it goes through the other hole. And the plastic has to be hard, that way it puts pressure, that way it doesn't fall off. And so I'm going to go ahead and drill a couple holes in this, so stand by. I only got 1 hole in it, and I want to show you why you put 2 holes in it. Over time, that piece of plastic will fall down. It's pretty tight right now. But over time, it will fall down, and that's why you drill 2 holes in it. I made it really tight. But because you have 2 holes in it, it's not going to fall down like a person would think, because it's putting pressure on the plastic, basically. And so now all you have to do is trim this thing up so you're happy with what it looks like. In this case, I'm going to trim it off so you don't see it as much. It's either that or you're going to have to rethread this bolt. And like I said, the thing is, it was made around 1830, 1840, maybe 1850, so it's 180, 200 years old. What do you expect? It's going to wear out. These threads are worn out. Let me see if I can show it to you in my microscope. If I can. There are no longer threads on this thing. It's worn out. You should be able to see that. There were threads on it, but not no more. A thread would have edges on it for the bolt to grab, just like this. Come on. You see the difference? You should be able to see the difference. There's grooves in these threads. There's not grooves in these threads anymore. So, I don't know. I'm just a big believer in the acronym KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. I'm not calling you stupid. I'm just telling you that I like keeping things simple. And why go out and spend a lot of money when you can do something like this, and that will fix your issue. And if you could live with that, then why not do it? I can live with it myself. I'm going to trim it up just a little bit more, but in my other video, I talk about, when my parents were alive, they would go to the nutrition center all the time. And they had this mantle clock. It was like a Smith's mantle clock at the nutrition center. And it didn't work, and they asked me to repair it. So I did. And every time I went in there, I would make sure it was ticking away and wound up. Well, somebody had lost the nut for the pendulum bob. And so I took a drinking straw, poked a hole in it, I cut a section off, poked a hole all the way through the drinking straw, which is basically what this is. It's got two pieces of plastic that held that nut in place, and I put that on it to use as the regulator. And to my knowledge, it still has that on there. I haven't been to the nutrition center since my dad passed away, and they closed it down back during COVID, and so I haven't been in a nutrition center in a very long time. But keep it simple. I hope y'all like this video. Leave me some comments. May God bless each and every one of you.